Okay, everybody, another package in the mail. Couldn't tell you what the hell all that means. I couldn't even pronounce half of the darn freaking symbols. But it comes from China Post. Anyways, here we go. Unboxing video. Gonna get this thing open. I see a piece of paper inside. It's one of those white boxes you get in the mail from China. Here we go. Ooh, LED lights. Look at that, people. Brand spanking new. But there's only 5 in the package. There's more. There's some more here. These are 5 more, yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20 pieces of white LED lights. And I got yellow pieces. There we go. Yellow LEDs. And I got blue LEDs. You guys go to those, what you call it, Walmart, Canadian Tire. There's some auto parts stores that carry these suckers. They charge you like $14 per pair, so you're only buying 2. So that's $7 a piece. There we go. Get real close up in there. But I got 20 of these suckers here. Dun-dun. Put these on our vehicle. I should have bought a bunch of red too. But if you guys don't mind waiting like 30 days, yep. And spring is just around the corner. So there we go. That's my unboxing video for LED lights. These are SMDs that fit a T10 socket. 194. Your license plate lights. Signal markers. These ones here, yellow ones are good for that too. They hardly draw on the what you call it, amperage. So you know that's pretty good. Other than that, that's what they look like. Yellow, blue, and of course white. So thanks for tuning in. You know, I'll plug these on in on the car too, and we'll see from there. I think I'm going to order a lot more of these too. So these are not for sale, personal use right now, and if I have leftovers I'll probably sell them, but probably to locals maybe. Other than that, you know, that's quite a bit in this. If I were to resell these, I'll probably make a couple bucks for sure. Okay. LED lights, people. These are SMDs, 50/50s. These are 5 piece. So long for now.